Do you want to know how you can manage your subscription on Melbet? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can manage your subscription on Melbet. Go ahead and open Melbet, which is on your phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Wait for the Melbet app to open up and this page will open. Now go ahead and click on menu, which you can see on the bottom left right hand side, and click on your profile or click on the settings on the top right hand side. Scroll a bit down and you can see manage subscriptions. Go ahead and click on this link and you can see that you can manage your subscription this way. You can receive news about events by email, receive outcomes of my bets by email, receive notifications about your deposits by email, and receive information about special offers by SMS. So you can enable this and you can manage your subscription this way. You can see that you can disable or enable it as well. So guys, this is how you manage your subscription on Melbet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.